Farm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
Yeah, you may want to avoid travel this morning. We're noticing a lot of ice on the roadways as well. So something you want to keep in mind, maybe wait until this afternoon when those temperatures warm up and we're not going to be expecting a lot of that rain beginning to fall, but noticing a lot of freezing rain early this morning, especially to the north and to the west of Lubbock. This is a radar loop over the past couple of hours as it moves in that northeasterly motion. Behind that, we're starting to notice some of that rain and freezing rain slowly beginning to let up just a little bit. So we're stopping it right now to where we are. And as we continue to go down to the south and to the west, looks like a few light showers in portions of Seagraves and even Seminole, including Denver City, with the main bulk of the rain still off to the north and to the west. Again, that pink shading, that's that freezing rain. And what we mean by freezing rain compared to regular rain, if from the atmosphere, it's falling as rain, but temperatures at the surface are below freezing. So even though that rain falls, that surface temperature is below freezing, so it's going to stick to the ground and then it's going to form ice, and that's going to be the problem for this afternoon. And you can notice that by that pink shading. Freezing rain falling right now in Abernathy, Plainview, even Floydada at the moment, starting to get a little bit of that freezing rain potential in portions of Crosby County. Zooming on into Lubbock County right now, looks like a mainly light rain event, but temperatures are at freezing or just above freezing. And when we have overpasses and bridges that have air on the top and air on the bottom, that helps to freeze that first, and that's going to be the problem here in the hub city, with especially along much of the overpasses and even the loop this morning. Going on back west just a little bit, starting to notice that light rain and freezing rain letting up just a little bit, but maybe there's a little bit more on the way, and that's something that we're going to be tracking this afternoon. For now though, taking a look at these temperatures below freezing up to the north and to the west, 33 degrees right now in Lubbock. It's been holding steady for the past hour. If we get just enough cold air to drop it one more degree, that's when we're going to be noticing that rainfall now turning into ice. And when we talk about ice, this gives you a perfect visual of what we're talking about right now. Our Tulia Live Sky View shows these power lines coated in ice. That is the problem. And when you have those power lines coated in ice, that means that the ground is also going to be very icy outside. You can see that glaze on that ground. That's the problem. That's the thing that's going to make travel very tricky this morning. We're still going to continue to see those showers and that freezing rain continue throughout the morning hours. By around 12 o'clock, as we get warmer air on in, we'll see a few spotty showers left. Looks like, though, that freezing rain potential not really going to be amounting to much anymore, since temperatures will be above freezing. A few spotty showers by this evening and then maybe even tomorrow afternoon, but temperatures will be above freezing, so we don't have to worry about any of that freezing rain. For now though, here's what we're going to be expecting. Freezing rain to the north and to the west, mainly rain off into the rolling plains and into the east, but ice accumulations are going to be the biggest problem. A glaze possible in Lubbock, but up to 1/10 of an inch here in Lubbock, or up to the north and to the west as well, so you really want to keep that in mind. Winter weather alerts are in effect until noon today. So if you are going to be traveling, maybe want to wait until this afternoon, because we are noticing a lot of icy roads. Temperatures today will reach about 40 degrees tonight, falling into the 30s, so staying well above freezing. We get even warmer tomorrow, still keeping a few isolated rain showers around, but really the best time to travel not this morning. Stay inside, stay indoors. Really think about maybe traveling this afternoon.
Yeah, definitely. If you were trying to sneak out and find a store open to get any last minute items for that meal, I'd say just go without it. Just stay home, enjoy the morning, hang out in the kitchen, because yeah, you don't want to be outside.
Yeah, you'd rather be safe than sorry.
Kellyanne.